Is your iPhone getting very hot when charging? This could be symptomatic of a few possible issues. Let's dive right into them. Firstly, one of the most common causes is overuse during charging. If you are engaging in heavy usage while your iPhone charges, like playing high-end games or utilizing processor-intensive apps, this can lead to increased heat generation. The solution? Try limiting your phone usage while it charges, or stick to less demanding tasks. Secondly, a faulty charger or cable could be the culprit. These can sometimes cause excessive heat generation during charging. So, a simple test would be to try using a different charger and cable and see if the issue persists. Thirdly, we can't ignore the possibility of software issues. Software glitches or heavy background processes can also cause your device to heat up while charging. A quick restart of your iPhone might solve the issue. If not, ensure that your phone's software is up to date. Lastly, the problem could lie within the battery itself. If your iPhone's battery is old or damaged, it may generate more heat during charging. In this case, it's best to get the battery checked at an authorized service center. Now, if you've tried all these steps and your iPhone continues to overheat while charging, it's time to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for further assistance. To summarize, your iPhone could be heating up while charging due to overuse, a faulty charger or cable, software issues, or battery problems. Try troubleshooting these issues one by one. If none of these seem to solve your problem, don't hesitate to reach out to professionals for help. Remember, a hot iPhone is more than just an inconvenience. It could potentially damage your device or even be a safety hazard, so don't ignore it. Take action and keep your iPhone cool and safe. Until next time, stay savvy and stay safe.